At Interflon, we're dedicated to developing premium industrial lubricants that significantly reduce costs in industrial production processes. As a family-owned company and a trusted value in the world of lubrication technology, we operate in more than 50 countries and are known as an innovative and reliable maintenance partner. In daily production processes, machines are vital, but their moving parts face friction and wear. This is why maintenance is needed. Interflon lubricants play a key role by minimizing friction, slowing wear, extending machine life, and boosting production. Our lubricants contain the unique Interflon MicPol technology, a groundbreaking innovation that creates a durable and protective lubricating film. Less friction leads to lower energy consumption and reduced CO2 emissions. Interflon products excel in extreme conditions, such as heavy loads, high and low temperatures, strong contamination, and humid environments. Our global network of technical consultants, partners, and industry specialists help you realize increased reliability and targeted cost savings. Together with customers, we redefine technical maintenance. This is how we make every machine a better machine. With the same passion, Interflon also develops cleaners, degreasers, special coatings, and lubrication tools. Our ILAC software enables comprehensive maintenance planning, leaving nothing to chance. Interflon invests in connecting people and knowledge. Our Customer Experience Centre in Belgium is the beating heart of growth and development. With an emphasis on experience, hospitality, and comfort, this inspiring environment fuels creativity, productivity, and cooperation. Interflon, think forward.